Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before. Then you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna do a review of this right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. Hopefully you guys could see it. This is Lucas tune up in a bottle. And I'm gonna read it out loud to you guys. It said, tune up in a bottle, the complete fuel treatment. It said Lucas upper cylinder lubricant and injector cleaner, treat one tank up to 25 gallons diesel or gasoline. Use every fill up for maximum power and fuel economy. Eliminates need for higher octane fuel. And it said safe for any, that's right, any gasoline vehicles. And of course at the bottom it said it's made in America. Why I recommend Lucas? Because Lucas is a good brand name and they actually work, so they're up there, if you know what I mean. And the higher octane, it said what it mean by what higher octane mean is you don't need to use 93 Supreme gasoline unless you have a car that recommends 93 Supreme gasoline, which is BMW, Mercedes, a Audi, a Porsche, a Maserati, you know what I'm talking about, a Jaguar, or what's the other one? I can't remember the other one. But yes, it have a lot of cars that actually recommend 93 Supreme only for your gasoline. Because I remember I used to own the Audi and I made a mistake and I put regular. I drove down the street. I think I went to the mall or something. I put $20. I drove to the mall and came back home and I was like, the needle like literally moved, like it burned out real fast. So that's vehicles that recommends 93 Supreme fuel octane, stick with 93 Supreme or you're gonna just lose money basically. But anyways, let me get back to this. This is basically a fuel treatment. It clean out your fuel, your injectors and everything. So it said back here, it said loss of fuel economy, loss of power, burn pistons, premature overhaul. Basically what it mean, like if your car like losing power and your vehicle is burning gas real bad, I would recommend this, guys, to use this because it cleans all that, all the burnt pistons and all that, all the extra buildup. I recommend anybody to use this. It said cleans and lubricates carburetors, injectors and valve seats. And it said lubricates rings for longer cylinder life. So guys, you could pick this up at Walmart for like $4 and change. It's like $4.09, and that's with tax in Florida, because we 6% tax. Unless you in Miami, they charge you 7% tax. So hey, I stay in Fort Lauderdale in Broward. Yes, so I don't know what's the other taxes in other states, but here in Florida it's 6%, in Broward, and in Miami it's 7%. They could keep that 7% over there. That 1%, they could keep it over there. I'm about saving money. So yes. And how I know that this stuff actually works, I had a friend that I had did an oil change on his Nissan Altima, and his car, every time when we hit a stoplight or a stop sign, his vehicle will shake. It will idle. Like we could see the needle, actually the RPM needle will go up a little bit and it'll drop, and it feel like it want to shut off. So that means his car basically needed a tune up, and his carburetors and his injectors probably was real dirty and they had needed to clean. So I recommend him to go and purchase this. We actually went to the store, purchased this at Walmart, and we poured it in and we drove around for like 5 minutes, and we noticed all the shaking and the idling actually stops, and he actually saved fuel. So because his car was burning gas like crazy, like it was sad. Bro, you have a Nissan Altima and it was burning gas like we driving a V8. It was crazy. Yeah, so we save money because we didn't have to take it to the shop. We pour this in after we did the oil change, and it actually worked. If you haven't done an oil change, you still could pour it in. It's still going to help your vehicle because, as I said, it's going to clean out the injectors, all the carburetors, clean out your fuel tank, all that stuff. Go through your engine. It helps everything. So I recommend this, guys. This is Lucas Tune Up in a Bottle. Can you see it? Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. It's kind of bright. Yeah, right here. Lucas Tune Up in a Bottle. It looks just like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm about to go pour this in my tank because my Toyota is burning gas as well like crazy. I just don't know why. I know why. I haven't done an oil change on it in a while. When I'm so broke right now, so when I get paid, I'm gonna do the oil change, and I do it myself. I don't really take my stuff to the shop. They could put anything in your vehicle and you don't know. I usually do things by myself. So that's why I keep my vehicle running longer. But yes, just to let y'all know, just to put that out there. So yes, I'm gonna go pour this in my gas tank. You just pour the whole thing in your gas tank, and it just works just like that. The more you drive, it works. You could fill your tank, whatever you feel like doing it. Just make sure you use it. Just pour all of it in your gas tank, and it helps. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support, all the likes, all the comments, all the subscribe. I love it, guys. I really appreciate it, and I thank you guys so much for showing y'all support, and that's why I will keep on supporting you guys. I really, really, really appreciate it. I love you guys. You guys are so awesome. And have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. Peace out and bye-bye. And once again, the name of it is Lucas Tune Up in a Bottle. They have different varieties, but I recommend Lucas because the other ones, they have some cheap ones for like $1. I don't trust those extra cheap stuff. They probably don't work. So I'll go with something that actually works. You could go for this one, or you could go for the one that say Chevron with Techron or something on there. Chevron fuel injectors or something like that. That's more money. So I got something that have a name quality and actually works because I tried it before and it works. And peace out, guys. Thank you. Let me shut up for right now. Peace. Bye bye. Take care. I'm out.